Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here, and in case you did not know, you can build certificates under memberships. So if you click on memberships, certificates, you can build custom certificates that usually connect them to like a course, a completed course, right? There can be an automation where it gets sent out to the person that completed it, and there's some cool features in it. So let's go create, I'll just create a new one. Let's just do, you can do blank, obviously, if you have experience, but I would just select a template and just pick one of the ones that you kind of like the most. Let's say we like this one. Let's click on it. And here you can see at first glance, you can do custom values, right? So if it's like assigned to someone and then their name gets filled out automatically, you don't have to create the certificate from scratch for every single person. So there can be an automation you can set up, right? And it autofills. And over here, obviously, you can fill out your own information, your own signature, more functionality. You can, add badges and elements like that, right? You can change it up. You can delete them. You can rearrange things. So, and then you can preview them. And obviously, you can send it to specific people manually. So, yeah, this is a cool feature. Definitely make sure to go check it out. And if you have any questions, here, this bubble below, per usual, 24/7 chat support. Make sure to reach out and we'll get back to you as quickly as possible to help you with any questions related to Funneltopia. And yeah, hopefully see you guys in the next video. Bye.